I love to read. I've been reading since I was a young child, and it opened up a new world for me. Children's literature is important because it helps with the children's development, their education, and in socialization. It helps them gain new knowledge and to learn about the world around them. This children's area is special because of all the libraries. We have fossils. We have a mammoth leg and a mammoth tusks that were actually found in the Kingsville area. We have lots of different types of books for children. We have board books for babies. We have picture books. We have easy reader books. Those are books that are for children who are transitioning between picture books into chapter books. We also have computers, so if they need to come do some homework, a project, they can do that. We have programs that we offer weekly at all the libraries. We have a story time, and we have some music and motion programs that they can attend for free. The library offers services online. We have videos that the youth librarians have created, such as like a bilingual story time, science experiments that the kids can do at home. We also have some book apps that kids can go to. It's our Hoopla for Kids and our Access 360, where they have books online that they can read off their cell phone or tablet. Reading is very important, especially starting at a young age. It's the foundation to your education, and it's the foundation that you need to help you succeed. It's very important to help with that literacy and to help promote that love for reading that we all want to have.